Alright, we're back. Now, let's go. There's no time for games. Right when I say there's no time for games. Oh well, I guess we'll have a little bit of delay before we enter the Cave of Despair. Don't worry, I know an easy way to take this guy out. See? Easy. Like pie. Small. I lost because I was trying to not go to the washroom. Only losers use excuses. Hey guy, what are you gonna tell me? Steven, Flash, HM5. If you don't know, that's Flash. That's probably, yep, it's Flash. Let's go. And you guys might say this, but I was an idiot because I didn't get any repels. Yeah, I'm stupid. I don't care what you say. It's a Zubat. I should catch it and name it 5th player. Because I know 5th player hates Zubats. 5th player, if you're watching this, I wanted to tell you. You're gonna get a Zubat named after you. No, I'm just pulling your leg. That would be evil. It's an Aeron. I'm not gonna catch it though. No matter what you guys say. Even though its defenses are off the chain. I'm not gonna catch it anyway. I still stand by that, no matter how many times you ask me. What is this? It's another Zubat. I don't even have a Zubat. I already have a shiny Twallow. It's better than you. Because 1, it's a Twallow, and 2, it's shiny. Yeah. Swag. A Sableye. I don't want it. Even though it would make a good it would make a good Pokemon, because it has no weakness whatsoever. Just like Spiritomb. Ah. Why? Now I see why 5th player hates Zubats. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna use my repel. My 1 repel. Oops, hang on. The last repel I have. The only repel I'll ever have. Ow. It's Steven. Okay, I better switch my Pokemon because we're about to battle. My name is Steven. Here is your letter. Okay, if you guys didn't know, since you gave Steven the letter, if you go back to Rustboro City and talk to Mr. Stone, he'll give you an EXP share. Hey, come back here. Darn it, I wasn't even done with him. I didn't even get a chance to fight him yet. Oh well, that just happened. Now, let's go to the gym. I mean, we're totally ready. Oh wait, since the time is right, might as well just keep stealing. Oh man, I'm bored. Want to win Caboose. It's all. I rock, and we're gonna roll. Who's there? Oh man, it's a trainer. Don't brush me off. I'm gonna brush you off whenever I want. You can't tell me what to do. Yeah, it's a good thing I have this Twallow. Use Wing Attack, Twallow. No! It has that much health left. Fine, we'll just use quick attack. There. Was that really that hard? I thought so. What? I lost. Yeah, so you might as well just get on the ground and start crying. And you might notice that I'm delaying the gym battle so I can train more. Yeah, I'm smart. I'm smart. Oops, I hit the camera. Brendan and... I didn't see your name. Okay, let's see. How is this gonna work? Okay, this is how it's gonna work. Yeah, that's how it's gonna work. Yeah, one hit. One hit KO. Awesome. No, Mario Jump, you're supposed to go a level. No! Wow, that was pathetic. Let's try stealing. Yeah, awesome. Double team. And Mario Jump due to level 18. How could this get any better? I don't know how this happened. It's not like me to lose this way. Isn't it? It's not like me to win this way. I would have won in 2 shots. Oh well. Let's see if I'm gonna find some. 1-2 battle. Yay. Might is right. Come on. Let's battle. Let's battle the battle away. Come on, chop. One attack. That was really overkill. 1 roll over 15. 2, that was super effective. 3, that was a critical hit. That's a little bit overkill. Not enough power. No, you had power. It's just that I hit a crit on you. Because I'm awesome and you're not. Then I was really hoping for a double battle. If you mean to pass, it has to be through me. So if I have to pass through you, shouldn't I just die? Ooh, I hate this guy. Wing attack! Yeah, we're so strong. Look at that, we're so strong. Look at us, we're so strong. The last battle here until we get to the gym. I'll crush you. I'd like to see that. Alright, use wings. Darn it. That was a perfectly waste of a wing attack. Okay, fine, use wing attack again. Yeah, being awesome. Awesome. Right here, behind the camera. See, look at us, we're already level 17. How could you lose? Oh well. Oh wait, hold on, I have to do something first. Gee, can't you guys wait for something? Okay, I'm gonna save so I don't mess up and die on accident. Then I'm gonna hate myself. And I'm gonna be like, oh my god, I just wasted this. Now I'm gonna be an idiot. Yeah, I'm gonna try and do it good. Alright, use Peck. Now use Wing Attack. Excellent. Now, I know what to do now. Don't tell me what to do. I didn't ask for your opinion. I knew he was going to do this. That's why I used a pack. Okay, only one more pack to finish you off. One more. Oh yeah, this is how it's going down. Oh man, this is easier than I thought. Okay, one attack. Oh, a critical hit! That was so awesome! Chihuahua has definitely got a spot on this team. Well, really faster than I expected and stuff, I don't care. Anyway, I got the badge. Then I beat some random guy. I got the knuckle badge. I got the knuckle badge. Yeah. Woohoo. Woo. Brawly. His name should have been Brawly. See the Dragon Ball Z pun there? Yeah. See, look at all these trainers that we battled. See, this is why I needed that Chihuahua. It's so important. Well, that's all the time we have for now. I'll see you in the next video or episode. Whatever, I don't